Well, on the Real Life family, you already know it's your boy, Water. Water splashing on your hole. And you know it's the Real Mix family, guys. I know I've been gone for a minute. I should have been uploading more frequently. And you know, long story short, I just had a baby, my second child, Dominic. It's time. Like, I can't be doing this and carrying baby at the same time, you know? But I'm able to carry you guys today. That's why I'm moving the camera. Today we're gonna do the car wash. Yeah. As you can see, she's super dirty. Actually, she don't look too bad on camera. She don't look too bad on camera. Well, she's dirty for real. The wheels, you can see it. I'm pretty sure you guys can pick that up. Like, they're dirty. She's dirty still. Anyways, y'all, we're gonna get this car wash started. You guys seen how dirty it is, and then you're gonna see how clean she is. Today's a nice day, by the way. It's like really sunny and everything outside. So as soon as I bring her outside in the sun, then it's gonna look stupid. All right, guys, let's get it started. Holy, she looking so clean, bro. Wow, bro. Let me get back in my thing. All right, guys, now that we're home, check it out. Like, she's so clean now. Every spot of her is clean. Every single spot, bro. Jeez! Summer 2020. Sorry, summer 2022. Summer 2022. Jeez, look how she sits there like. Man said get an EV. What's her name? Her name's Angel. Let's get it. Let's get it. I hope you guys liked today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I'm going to try to upload more frequently. Summer is finally here. AKA, kind of. But what is it? The second day of spring? I'll take that. Hope you guys have a good day. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. It's Water.